Here I have Motorola G100, and today I'm going to show you how to enable SwiftKey autocorrection feature on this device, and also how to disable it. Basically, how to switch this autocorrection feature. So firstly, let's go to the settings, then go to the system section, languages and input, on-screen keyboard, Gboard, text correction. And here you have autocorrection, correct words while typing. And that's how you can switch this feature. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.